are now 17,000 strong Be Obsessed fam, which means I will be sharing the name of the giveaway winners in this video. So stay tuned. Good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Obsessed.
All my love is gone.
First of all, I would like to congratulate two giveaway winners who followed all the rules of the giveaway and answered correctly. So I will be sharing the name of the giveaway winners somewhere in between the video. So make sure you watch the video till the end and do not skip any part, because you could be one of the lucky winners. However, for people who have missed the chance this time to participate in the giveaway, you don't need to be sad. Trust me, because I believe in sharing and caring. So, I have lined up some more giveaway contests in the next couple of months. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and also you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload new videos, which I will be doing more frequently in the month of August, because that's my birthday month, and you can win yourself nice goodies and giveaways. So I think that was too much of a blabbering again, but I'm feeling very happy and excited that we are 17,000 strong now, and I request all of you guys to make it 20,000 as soon as possible so that I can do another mega giveaway contest. Okay, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my product empties for hair care and whether I would repurchase or recommend the products in future or not. These are the products that I have accumulated a little over 2 months. So without further ado, let's get started with the video in a chronological order, starting from hair shampoo to hair serum. A little disclaimer before we jump into the video. Whatever I will be sharing, the experience that I'll be sharing in this video is all my personal experience. So your experience might differ, and if your experience is different to what I have felt depending upon your hair texture and your skin texture, you can definitely comment down below in the comment section and let me know. So the first product that I have on me today is L'Oreal Paris Color Protect Protecting Shampoo. This is the shampoo that I got. So this is a very budget friendly shampoo that I got because I got my hair colored and I wanted to take care of my hair. However, I would like to tell you that when I started using this shampoo, the texture of the shampoo is very smooth. But once you apply this on your scalp and you wash your hair becomes very rough. For me at least, my hair became very rough, and I would feel that it's because of the ingredients that is present in the shampoo maybe, or maybe because of the hard water that is supplied in my apartment. Could be anything. However, I would not repurchase this product, neither I would recommend this product for you guys, unless any of you have a different experience using this shampoo, which you can definitely let me know. Next up on the list is a very common name in every household, and I have seen this being used by my mother, by my father. Everybody used to use, back in those days, everybody used to use the same shampoo. You get one bottle of shampoo and irrespective of your hair texture or color, everybody used to use the same kind of shampoo. So I've seen this a lot in my during my childhood rather. So this is Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution, which is 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner, and this is the shampoo. And I really like the smell of this shampoo and also the texture of the shampoo. However, I am not sure about the claim that it can stop hair fall or not, because I did not notice any kind of change in the hair fall that I was facing. After using this shampoo, even it was the same, so there was no difference that I felt. However, it did not make my hair rough and unmanageable, but saying that, it is not like it will leave your hair like super buttery soft and something like that, and you would not need a conditioner. You would definitely need a conditioner with this particular shampoo as well. Even though they are saying that it is shampoo plus conditioner, I still need a conditioner, or rather a hair mask, to make my hair soft and manageable. So for this Pantene, this is very budget friendly, and I would totally recommend this one, and I would also repurchase this one because I've seen everybody in my family use it, especially my mom. So yes, I'll definitely go back to this one. Okay, so before we move on to the next product on the list, it is time for us to share with you all the first name for the giveaway winner who followed all the rules as per the video link here, somewhere here or here, I will link it somewhere here. You guys can go and check that out. What was the question? And the winner is Shishma Latwal, who followed all the rules and answered the giveaway questions absolutely correctly. Stay tuned to know how you can claim the giveaway hamper. Next up, we move on to the conditioner and hair mask section. So first I have L'Oreal Paris Color Protecting Conditioner. It's from the same range of L'Oreal. So this was the shampoo and this is the conditioner. So okay, I hold it ulta. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Okay. So regarding the conditioner, unlike the shampoo, the conditioner is really good, I would say. And this actually does the job as it claims. So when you apply the conditioner, it leaves your hair really soft, and there is a nice light fragrance that stays in your hair for a longer period of time, and also makes your hair very manageable. Even though I have a hard water problem, still after using this conditioner, it made my hair really soft and silky, and it detangled my hair as well. So the frizziness in the hair was almost not there, and the smoothness was also there. So I will definitely recommend this and repurchase this again and again because it is very budget friendly. So yes, definitely you guys can also give it a try. Okay, so now let's move on to the hair mask section, and currently I am obsessed with this hair mask because this is insanely good and this smells amazing. It is like buttery texture that leaves your hair like buttery soft and smooth and silky, and it lasts for almost 2.5 days because I shampoo my hair every alternate day. So I use a hair mask every alternate day, and this has changed my hair game. And the product is Schwarzkopf Professional Bonacure. It has got pH 4.5 for color. So this is the product. So if you have colored hair, this is really good because it maintains the pH balance of your hair, which is like 4.5 it says, and it freezes color. It's a treatment and it's a mask for colored hair. So definitely all you babies out there, if you have colored your hair like I have done, and I do frequently, so definitely you need to take care of your hair, and this mask is something that I would totally recommend, and totally you can blindly go ahead and use this mask. But make sure, I'm sure that you all are already aware that you need to use the mask from this section till the bottom, and use a lot of mask at the bottom of the hair rather than using it on the scalp, because you're not supposed to use any conditioner or any mask on the scalp, unlike a shampoo. So shampoo should be on the scalp and less on the bottom of the hair, and the mask and the conditioner should be used from this length of the hair till the bottom of the hair, so depending on how long your hair is. This mask is a little on the pricier side, I would say. However, it would last you for at least 2 months, a good 2 months. You can take that, because for my length of hair, which is almost like waist length, I have got my hair till waist length and I use it every alternate day, it still lasts me for almost good 2 months. So that is, and I use quite an lot of amount, like so much, like a scoop I use, and I spread it all over my hair because this is amazing, and I cannot stop talking about it till the time I don't get bored with this product and try something else. So as of now, I'm totally in love with this one, and I will totally recommend and repurchase this product over and over again. For all your convenience, I have linked all the product links in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check it out if you want to. because you keep asking me what is the product, where can I get the product. So rather than me sending you separate emails or chatting with you, which I might not have time all the time, and you might feel ignored, I don't want that to happen. So that is the reason I have listed everything in the description box. You guys can go and check that out there. Alright, now it's time to reveal the second giveaway winner, and the second giveaway winner who followed all the rules and participated as per the video linked here or here somewhere again, and has won a gift hamper as per the giveaway contest. So that is Achu. The name says ACHU, as you can see on the screen here. So yes, congratulations to Achu as well, and I'm so happy that both of you won yourself a gift hamper, and like a giveaway gift hamper. All you need to do is you need to drop me an email. My email address is there in the description box. You can go ahead and check that out. It's beobsessed.86@gmail.com, which you can see on the screen right now. Drop me an email with all your details, like your full name, your address, so that I can send you the gift hamper, and the subject line needs to be giveaway winner. Please mention in the subject line as giveaway winner, as you can see on the screen, giveaway winner, and I will contact you as soon as I get your email. Okay, now that I have disclosed the name of both the winners from the giveaway and I've told you how to contact me so that you can claim your giveaway gifts, it's time for the last product of the day, which is like a game changer, and you guys have seen me talking about this product over and over again in every Nykaa haul that I've done or every Amazon haul that I've done, because I am totally in love with this particular product, because this product has changed my hair game totally. And the product is from the same brand, which is Swashcore Professional Bonacure Peptide Repair Rescue Nutri Shield Serum. This is the serum, and I am totally in love, obsessed. I think I love this serum more than my husband, trust me. This serum is absolutely amazing. It has a very nice fragrance which will last on your hair for almost like 3 days if you don't wash your hair. And not only that, it will change the game of your hair into like a smooth, soft, silky, feather-like hair. And you need to apply this on wet hair. So once you are done with the mask, so the thing goes like first the shampoo, then the mask, and then after you wash your mask and everything and you towel dry your hair, then you apply this on wet hair, and then you blow dry or just air dry your hair. And then when you brush your hair, you comb your hair will not even feel a little bit of frizz. It will just be like smooth butter. So this is something that I will definitely purchase. You guys have seen in my Nykaa haul, as I told you. I would link it somewhere here if you haven't seen the shampoo, the mask, and this particular serum that I purchased. This is my third bottle that I'm purchasing, and I will keep purchasing it till the time again I don't get bored using this one. And I will totally recommend this, and I will repurchase, so definitely I will do, but I will totally recommend this product. So you guys do try this product, and if you have tried this product already, comment below and let me know how was your experience. Was it different to my experience, or was it similar to my experience? Definitely let me know. I will be waiting for you guys to let me know in the comments. And yes, again, the product links are in the description box, as you guys always ask me and want me to do. Alright, so that was the last product from Product Empties of Hair Care in this video. However, I'm so happy for all of you who has won yourself a gift hamper, like a giveaway gift hamper from the giveaway contest. And people who have not won yourself a gift hamper this time, keep an eye on my channel, and most importantly, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it, so that whenever I am uploading any video, It could be a giveaway video, it could be a giveaway contest video, it could be a anything that you can win a gift hamper or something. You will be notified. So make sure that you subscribe and make sure that we can reach the 20,000 mark very soon. And yeah, I think that's about it for this video. We should call it a wrap. See you in my next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and be obsessed about whatever you do in your life, but in a positive way. Stay safe. Bye bye.